Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. My name is Saša Krstulović, and I will present you paper named Activity Profile in Amateur Boxing, Differences between the 1984 and 2017 World Championships. Co-author this paper are Goran Kuvacic, Roko Čule, and Marko Erceg. We are all from Fakultet of Kinesiology, University of Split, Croatia. So, few sentences just in introduction. As you already know, boxing is a sport of fist punching with boxing gloves, in which the main goal is to punch and not to be punched, of course. Because of the fact that in boxing it isn't allowed to punch the opponent while he's on the floor, and there are strict rules in which part of the body and which way the opponent is allowed to punch, boxing is often called as noble skill. Activity analysis means identifying and describing the elements of the particular sport and evaluating them in contributing to overall success. Some previous researches show that importance of number of the executed punches and punching combination to win more points than the opponent. Additionally, excellent movements of the hands, legs, and body are equally important to have good defensive skill. Like other sports, boxing has evolved over the years, so it is interesting to identify and analyze differences in some tactical parameters of elite amateur boxers over a period of 33 years. Therefore, the main aim of this investigation was to identify differences in some tactical parameters of elite amateur boxers. We analyzed the following action into two competitions. So we screened 5 final matches from the 1984 World Championship in Los Angeles, and then 2017 Amateur Boxing World Championship in Hamburg. We analyzed 10 situational parameters in 5 weight categories: lightweight, light welterweight, welterweight, light heavyweight, and super heavyweight. That parameters were time before first stopping, clinch frequency, total stopping during the round, frequency of stopping, the time during the round, total clinch time, total number of punches landed, total number of successful punches without jab punch, total number of jab punches, total number of hook punches, and total number of uppercut punches. 3 boxing experts collected data via video analysis of that 5 finals in each competition, and we calculated the degree of agreement between them from the alpha, and that was very high, coefficient 0.89. The differences in situational parameters between 2 analyzed competitions were tested by t-test and respectively Mann-Whitney-U test, depending of normality of distribution. So now you can see a really big table, and it is even bigger because I show you just the statistically significant results. And as you can see, in almost all analyzed variables where we get statistically significant differences between 2 analyzed competitions. So We can conclude, according to these results, that in modern boxing, fighters have a greater tendency to initiate the clinch. Activity intensity is at the highest level in the second round, slightly lower in the first round, and probably due to fatigue, the lowest in the third round. The total number of punches follows the same pattern. On the other hand, when we analyze 30 years ago, the intensity and the total number of punches increased progressively through all 3 rounds. The jab punch, we call it direct, is the most frequent in both competitions. So we can conclude that Olympic boxing has evolved significantly over the last 30 years. Based on the results, we can predict the direction of future changes in the structural and situational parameters of Olympic boxing. So maybe in future researches, it would be interesting to identify the differences in technical tactical parameters between more and less successful fighters. Thank you for your attention.